Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on the DeepSeek AI Assistant app. So if you recently downloaded the DeepSeek AI Assistants, then let me show you how you can sign up for a new account on this. So before you begin, first go to your app store. You want to search for the DeepSeek AI Assistants. Here, make sure that's been downloaded and it's been updated to the latest version. Once that's done, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on sign up. Now you want to go ahead and enter in your credentials or enter in your email address. Think of a password, confirm it one more time. Go ahead and tap on send code. So this will send a code to your email address. Go ahead and enter this code, then press confirm that, agree to the terms and condition, and then tap on sign up. Now you have successfully signed in to DeepSeek. So there you go guys, that is how to create an account and log on to DeepSeek AI Assistants. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.